What up, you guys? Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys out there are making some money, and I hope the portfolios are green. You guys, we are up. I think we're still up. We just turned green for the day, I believe. Hopefully, we stay green. We're going to talk about stocks that we are trading and stocks that we are going to trade, stocks that we are interested in, stocks that we like, you guys. If you're interested in undervalued, under the radar stocks, sometimes beaten up stocks, for sure, that's what we invest in. Those are the ones that I like to go after, the ones that are down 80, 90%. A lot of stocks out there to invest, all right? Be careful. Let me know in the comments what you're investing in. Thank you guys for all the engagement. Really appreciate it. Super excited about today, the rest of this week, and the future. So I hope you guys tag along and join the team. It's free. I don't charge for anything, you guys. I don't have any courses that I'm selling. I just talk about stocks I like. So let's get into it. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. I'm going to flip this camera around, show you my screen, and we're going to get into it. RGTI is at like $22, and it dipped below $22. I talked about that one yesterday during the live. Shout out to anybody that has been in the lives and listened to the videos, listened to any of the content. I just put some videos up, so go check that out. Man, I'm excited. Open Door is up now. It looks like it's green. Hopefully it stays green. Hopefully we get back to $6. I got some Rigetti. I've got LAC. All right, those are the three stocks that I've got right now. LAC is still down right now, so I think I'm going to pull that one up first. LAC, that's the ticker. All right, you hear it? You're about to see it. Lithium Americas. This is a company this is a company that the government is invested in, and the government has taken a 10% stake in LAC, Lithium Americas. It's down 5% today, down about 30 cents to $5.97 right now as I'm speaking. Under $6. All right. I like those $6 stocks, those $5 stocks, really attracted to them. I think that it's a price target that a lot of other investors like as well. So let's go. I'm going to flip this camera around and show you my screen. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everybody out there, wherever you're at on the planet. Thanks for being in here. Thanks for watching the content. Thanks for being a subscriber. It's free. Do it now. I appreciate it.
That's huge, right? And the more cities that he's going to get in, he's going to have the ability to ramp up that production, in my opinion. I don't want him to jump the gun too early. We're waiting for this. I think he's patient, gets the approval. We know he's having some.
All right. We're going to pull the old portfolio up. And we're going to show you our open door position here.
It's only a matter of time until, in my opinion, that robo-taxi.
Open door is up and away. Hopefully today. I'm just kidding. It's only up 2 cents, $5.83. Like I said, hopefully we can get back to that $6 mark. Down big time, you guys. Down to Pound Town on the open doors.
On your FSD subscriptions, everything along those lines. But as for Tesla, it's one of the most forward-looking.
There you go.
We know
see it a little bit better. Kind of see how far we've fallen in a week. You can see it on the month right there. And then we go to 3 months. It's going to get pretty interesting here. You can see that 3-month chart. Kind of put a line right here. Maybe it could possibly be bouncing up from here, but it could also be coming down a little bit here. From open door. So that is why I'm so excited about it. We've been buying some shares. This is where it's fallen today. OPEN, you guys, my favorite stock.
So I want to hear more about that. Say this as well. Yeah,
got our average down.
I forget what.
So I'm excited about it.
Anyways, we're going on.
Let me know what you guys are
I
trading.
don't know how I feel about getting into a vehicle.
Hey, what's up, Monday Up? I apologize. I'm just not seeing your comment. Oscar, I apologize. How are you?
You know how many friends in the morning time I wake up and I wish I had a robo taxi to drive me to work?
But yeah, you guys, I'm excited about Open Door. That's where we're at on that. And hopefully it just keeps going up from here. But if it goes down, I will be buying some more shares.
Yeah, exactly. So I mean, like, if again, it's like Blockbuster, man. You got to catch up or you're gonna fall behind. I know it's not the best comparable, but
all right. And this is LAC. This is the other stock that I'm buying right now. LAC is down today. Is down 5%, about 30 cents. Like I said, under that $6 level. And I like that price. I like this stock. The government has invested into this company. The government has a 10% stake in LAC. So I don't think that they're going to let the company go down. When the government invests in a company, they have part of the management roles as well. So excited to see where that goes. But it takes a while, right? Just like anything in the government, it takes a while. This stock is up, though. Even though it's down today, it is up. There you can see it is up 32% on the month. 3 months, it's up. On the yearly, it's up. It's up big time on the yearly, you guys. It's up about 100% on the year. So it's not all doom and gloom. When in doubt, zoom out. But today does look bad. This is why I am buying this stock right here today. Telling you guys about it. I've made some content about it. I've talked about it. So do with that whatever you will, with what you will. Do with that information what you will. But we like the stock. We also like Rigetti.
Thank you very much.
We got a little bit of Rigetti. Wanted to buy more, but hey, is what it is.
Today's show is a banger. Thanks to all at Trader TV Live.
Pull that one up.
And then Danny Boys, something there with.
This is Rigetti. This is a computing company, American computing company. Guys, we don't have a whole lot of American computing companies, but this is one of them that is just hitting that sweet spot for me. This is it on 3 months, so you can kind of see. I think this is support right here. This is the bottom for me. This is the entry for me on the yearly. You know, there it is on the yearly. So Rigetti, I think this thing is headed back up. You can see it's done some crazy spikes here. And it could still do some crazy spikes here, but on the weekly, it's down about 12%. Not a lot for a lot of other companies, but that's $3 for this company. And then on the monthly, it looks good. It's right there at that sweet spot that I think support level. 3 months is interesting because it's down 45%. Right here. Pull it up yourself if you want to look at it. RGTI past 3 months is down 45%. But then, in my mind, look at it. This is support here. That's why we're buying some. We're scooping some up. Anything under $22, I've been buying today, and it's up above $22. So looking good for us. Yeah, I like LAC. I do like LAC. Just got done talking about that, but yeah, that's nice. That's nice. I like it. I like it.
Strong inverse correlation, and analysts are describing the dollar slide as a crisis.
Okay, 230. I wasn't sure. I think I heard, but
Donald Trump also said that the rates would fall.
230. Okay.
and weaker dollar expectations.
Yeah, I think I might be getting out of my Rigetti position whenever it gets up to that 230, 240, to 22, 2230, 2240. Just because, you know, it's $22 that I can use to put into my open and put into LAC. You know, I like my LAC position. I don't have a ton of shares. I only have a few shares, to be honest, but you know, I think it could dip more, you know, too. Donut's down, you guys. I just got the alert that donut is down. DNUT. That's Krispy Kreme. It's down 5%. If you guys want to check that out, that's looking interesting.
It is from
I'm gonna pull it up. DNUT. This is looking interesting. We're live, guys. So subscribe to the channel. You know, I just talk about stocks that I like. You know, I don't trade with emotion. So I'm open to whatever you guys are trading. Let me know. Subscribe to the channel though. It's free. You know what I mean? Like it just helps me out.
That I learned when I read technical analysis of the financial.
If you guys need to subscribe, I will subscribe to yours. You know what I'm saying? It's free. So
longer than equities. So I think we're probably going to see maybe a more.
I don't mind doing it.
For these precious.
All right, here's donut right here.
Fundamentals. Think about the central.
Like I said today, this is the daily chart. 5% basically drop here for Krispy Kreme. So this is looking kind of interesting. I don't have a whole lot of funds freed up, but I think I might get some here. 319. I think I like 319.
Right, as bond prices go up, interest rates go down, and vice versa. So they're inversely.
What's the news on it?
And we've seen President
Nothing.
Trump's indifference to the weakness in the U.S. dollar. Some might say he actually wants it this way because he wants to increase export.
I'm gonna grab a few shares.
It makes your products made for export more attractive to countries with a stronger currency or more relatively strong relative to where it used to be. So I think that you're getting sort of a double win here. You're getting de-dollarization because of the instability. Or
I'm gonna grab a few shares
of the United States as a trade partner.
Good 2-year hold. Oh yeah. I hear you.
Who doesn't really
lead custody for AMC. Yeah, AMC's looking really interesting.
Yeah, absolutely. Sure, just give me
little scary today. Let me look at it again because it just like I don't like the sideways trading. Yeah. 145, 144. I do love this price though. I'm still thinking it's gonna bounce. And the longer it sits here, the further it goes down, the harder it's gonna bounce. So in my opinion, not financial advice. I'm not a rocket scientist, not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. We're here to party, you guys. You know, you win some, you lose some. Today we might actually finish the day red. We'll see. But that's why I'm trying to grab some donut shares here at 319. I like that.
The number one thing to
like it
on ASML is
it's down 9% on the week. It's down 25% on the month. It's down 20% past 3 months. It's down 21% past or year to date. It's down 65% past year or this year, right? Past 5 years, it's down 80%. So like this is it right here. This is exactly what I want, what I'm looking for.
Net profit missed 2.84 million euros. That missed the 3.01 and
319
profit, and it was obviously overshadowed by the insane bookings. Near-term margins as well remain.
All right, Rigetti is up and away. Let's go. This is going to be a great trade for me. 2% trade here for Rigetti. Go ahead and let that go at 22.
That we announced there. I also, less
40
to me are
buybacks,
not bad. I never want
just
to
because
this as well, but 1,700 job cuts.
I want that sold.
Probably help shore up corporate costs. One headwind, though, and this is very seldomly talked about.
There we go.
It's expected.
It's gonna be a nice, more than 2% trade for me for Rigetti, you guys. I told you guys about it.
That's gonna fall down
You know?
1% now. My understanding is they're looking to
I mean, it looks so juicy. Look at it.
More deep
Rigetti.
machines to China are still obviously prohibited from selling the extreme ultraviolet.
Boom. It doesn't take much for me.
But there are, of course,
and we're out.
China is a headline risk in more than one way.
And it's still going up. I don't know why it's not showing up here.
And that headline, I promise.
There it goes. See that? That is what I wanted. And we're out, baby. Let's go.
It's come out with its own possible extreme ultraviolet.
$20 out. $20 for tomorrow.
When you're a monopoly,
selling at the top.
That's my take on ASML. Obviously, I should tell you guys I'm obviously invested in the name, and it's one of my larger positions.
LAC's back under 6, $5.99. Now I've got more money for LAC and Open Door tomorrow. I'm super stoked.
2026 looking around 51 to 53%. So that's some pretty solid.
So now I can actually increase my bid for those donut shares, which they're not letting me have them.
From April. All right.
And go ahead and grab 5 of them.
Getting a little bit of a pullback right now on the earnings report.
Let's go. I'm stoked.
Mentioning that, hey, you're essentially running.
Yes, that's why I'm trying to keep a little bit of money. You know, I could have bought more Open today, but I could have bought more of anything today. But now
Monday, April 7th.
I've got like
155.
a little bit too much, I think, but I've got enough to do what I.
Been outpacing the market drastically.
If I'm interested in something, play with it.
Really, the
for sure.
All right, see ya. We're gonna pause for a sec. What are we doing also, Sia? Oh. Okay, no problem.
All right, Dina back to 319. So we're out of Rigetti, right? We're fresh. All right.
Texas Instruments,
Man, how much was that? What was that?
1.27, missing the consensus by 0.06, but still delivering
3, 4, 5, almost 5% trade there for us for Rigetti. Almost 5% there for the portfolio. Oh man, it feels so good after losing for so long, taking so many beatings.
Commentary has also suggested that improved demand for conditions across key industrial and automotive end markets. And honestly,
Right.
has reported a full year.
Let's pull up D-Nut. This is what trying to get a position in here.
Which could reset expectations.
Trying to get in at 319. I like it.
We have mentioned
I like it for the swing trade. And we're in. I got 5 shares in at 319 on D-Nut. Let's go.
And they're saying they're dealing with a non-arms.
Let's go.
The deck and move debt onto them. We've mentioned it
If I can get a few more
with us. Sorry, okay, but we've talked about it a whole bunch of times. Now, with respect to Texas Instruments, I like Texas Instruments not for the AI trade. They basically deal with all the less advanced nanometers, like 7 and above, 7, 12, whatever, right? And so, there's still a market for those chips. Not everything has to be
man.
nanometers. We still need basic
All right,
stuff.
I'm excited. We got donut shares. I might actually go to Krispy Kreme today, baby.
TXN is looking pretty good. This chart on Starbucks is looking pretty good as well too. They're sure we'll throw that in there. We're all out of Starbucks at those lows. But as for TXN,
I don't know what's going on, man, but Krispy Kreme falling from $3.43 down to $3.20. It's a 20-cent drop. It's a 30-cent drop on the weekly. It's a $1 drop on the monthly.
Technician, the heat is on you every day.
So
your first call, an office building with a noisy AC unit.
Might be a solid trade here.
On site, your meters don't lie. The blower motor's failing.
Yeah, nobody cares.
Other than that, Starbucks was that guy today.
All right, guys, it is going to be the Jerome Powell. Don't forget, 2:00. FOMC meeting comes out. Papa gets on the mic at 2:30. So be there because it's going to be a good one. Big boys, that away.
Be there. Oh, be square.
Welcome back, everybody. We got Fed Chair Powell. Oh boy, man, he doesn't get to do this very often. Like
These are professional traders, you guys. These guys are professionals.
While we absolutely will not get a rate cut today, what we will get is a chance to pontificate and listen in directly. As usual, you know what's going to happen here. If it's your first time through, just going to let you know, 2 o'clock, we'll get the rate decision. It will be no change. We're up at like 98.9 or 99% at this point that there will be no change. At about 2, you get a statement from the Fed. They'll always contrast it to the last statement. And then at 2:30, you get that Q&A session. That's where you get to see whether this is like it's a pause, but it's a hawkish pause. That's what everyone is going to want to see. Maybe look at the.
All right, what else we got going on, you guys?
We'll get all the crazy.
What else we trading?
And of course, after the bell, we stick around because from here we still have Meta, Microsoft earnings, which are going to be.
TIRX is up and away, bro. It's up 200 percentiles.
You're locked and loaded. We're in the right spot.
What
the market, while green, has been sliding to the downside for the majority of the day. Has not been the strongest of days whatsoever going into this, but you never really know. We've seen multiple reversions with Powell before. Like it's like 1 minute he is ripping the market, and then he might reverse it when he hits or leaves the podium. I fully expect you get that whipsaw action again at 2 o'clock, and maybe we'll do a little bit of a quick mean inversion trade, then look for that trend action once he hits that podium.
Yeah, more importantly, today we have an after show. We're going to have all of the earnings. So that should be a good one today for sure. All right, just to let Andre know, in case you didn't see the chat, I don't have an earpiece.
Damn.
So you'll have to get everything through Neil. But yeah, silver.
These are the minute
1%
candles.
We're going to watch out for the US dollar. We just tried to support this bottom there. Did not raise lower now on.
Oh my God. So it just hit $1.06.
Into that. So let's go back.
TIRX. It's probably going to halt.
For the FOMC meeting, it'll be interesting to see if we get any dissenting votes because we recently have had some dissenting votes.
Chinese stock. I don't know anything about it. I'm just watching it, you guys.
Reporting that Spotify
Crazy.
$11 billion, more than $11 billion.
Feeds up, though. This one's been doing well today. FEED.
Year, and it's saying that's roughly 30% of the recording industry's revenue. I only mention it because we had that drop that kind of started around when we got this note. So anyway, Spotify paying out more money year over year to the music industry as we await this FOMC meeting. We're going to come back to me when we have about a minute to go so I can prepare you guys.
This is on the daily.
Thank you. Thanks, Sarah. I mean, that's not that huge news. Hey, it's not as bad as the short report that we got on.
Oh yeah, what's up with
Carvana? Oh my goodness! I know it's all about the Fed today. Yeah, you said that again. There's you know what? I mean, I usually look, man. I'll hit the flush. This has not been a good one, but I think you got to put things in perspective for the short report on Carvana. This thing double topped at $480 after I think the price target back in the day was $2, not $1. But yeah, that's a distinction, a difference. I feel like I say it was $1 every single time, but
I think it was $1.
Was it $1?
I think it was. We could probably look that up. Yeah.
Well, I mean,
MRNO might be breaking out here.
Got all the way down to the doldrums, and is maybe one of the greatest structured squeezes of all time. So if this is on the beginning of the unraveling, I feel like it minted so many people that, yeah, it's not necessarily the end of the world. I don't know if this is the vehicle to be trading for the Fed because it's probably going to move to the beat of its own drum. I think looking at the metals today is going to make sense. Bitcoin for myself is something that I was bearish on Bitcoin this morning. And then after the open range broke out, I'm like, okay, if I'm bearish on it, I'll sit it out until we get to said fee. SLV, on the other hand, my goodness. I've taken 2 trades on this sucker, and they were both trend breaks. Trend break 1 and what I thought was trend break 2.
Yeah, I got just enough in my other account for 1 share of Krispy Kreme.
Just take this trend break here with the bottoming tail. Because we have the Fed at 2 o'clock, that blows up any. Oh, I'm just going to take a chart. I'm just going to take a chart setup at 152. I know 2 o'clock is here. If not for the fact that it was the Fed, I'd be in the.
Okay, one more. Yeah.
To the downside, but it wasn't just silver. We also had an issue with gold. I mean, gold was GLD was breaking out the highs going into this. So we failed the top. We're at VWAP. So if you are watching what's happening in silver, you kind of caught that turn off the highs in gold, and then silver, which already wasn't as strong, when
One shares. There it goes.
just gonna move more than gold. That's just how it is. So like,
No, that was three more shares of donut
intraday
purchased
you're gonna get more of a move out
in
of
the bank.
than gold. You can watch this. You can watch GDX.
It doesn't take many shares for me, y'all. I'm trying to stay green, you know.
Zero.
If it continues to drop, we'll buy more.
Zero?
Might be zero.
No, we're not talking about zero. Carvana's not.
Maybe Carvana's a zero.
I mean, look, it just went 20% down to $380. Yeah. Oh, it didn't restart.
My computer's restarting as we speak.
Well, let's put it this way: even though your computer is needing
Here's
restart,
donut.
it's still.
Here's
taking way
Krispy
better
Kreme.
than the chance
Looking
that
good.
It's going to get to zero. It's not going to zero. I don't think. Yeah, I think we're overreacting a little bit here, but it could be a nasty unwind if this is only the first salvo of this bad boy. And almost everything gets a dead cat bounce at some point. Like, it's not even. You pull up the daily chart, like, yeah.
That's it on the monthly, man. This is looking really good.
It's not even one of those. Like, Oracle's actually nasty off the highs.
3
I
months.
would liken this one to like an SNCI pullback. I think would be more likely here. So we've got 5 minutes to go, everybody.
So these are like all-time lows for Krispy Kreme.
Expectation,
Is that what I'm seeing?
right? So you can have in the back of your mind if there's a 1% chance that we get a cut. If it happens, I think you just like immediately punch long.
No,
like,
52-week lows, $2.50. Okay.
Maybe that's a crazy small cap or like Rivian, but something along those lines. I do that with. Yeah,
Opened at $3.40.
WBG.
The high is 346, and we got some shares at 319. So not bad.
I was just saying, why not get Joe or Sharif? Because
Why isn't it?
I won't be live for 2:00. No way. I don't know. It's just restarting and restarting. I tried to call IT over here. You know, maybe if I'm just gonna hard restart it.
Like a hard boot.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold it down.
You know what they say? When in doubt, just
Yeah, there it is. Okay,
turn it off
I'm
and turn it
hard
back on.
booting it right now.
Get a little bit more comfortable with the position. You can buy more shares, or if it drops, you can buy more shares. But
I think you wait to see.
all right, you guys, I'm not gonna be on here long. I mean, you know, I got some other stuff to do. I got some other content to put up, so I do appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much, man. Thank you guys. Shout out to everybody that subscribed this week, the past few days. It's been incredible. We're gonna continue. We're gonna continue on to the next stock, on to the next trade, on to the next win. We're taking profit this year. So far, it's been a really good year. So
The other side. Okay, so I'm logging back in now after the hard reboot. Hopefully
we're gonna keep adding to that. We're gonna keep buying more Open Door. We're gonna keep buying more LAC. And right now, Donut, we just got out of our Rigetti position. But if Rigetti is down tomorrow, I'll probably get back in. I like that stock. So I like it under $22. I like LAC under $6 here. So I want to focus on the trades and more content and some stuff around the house. Oh, there goes Donut. We just got 5 more shares of Donut, you guys. So you see it here, live trading. Might not be the best trader in the world, but hey, I just buy and talk about stocks that I like. It is what it is, you know, and we either win some or we'll lose some, but I am loving it. Thank you guys so much, man. I hope you guys make some money. I hope you guys do well today with your trades. Let me know in the comments what you're trading so I know what to talk about. All right. And we'll see you guys in the next video. You guys go out there, make some money.
Oh no! I thought we had the wireless mic.